What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know who this is, your girl CC. Alright, so I want to give you one more makeup video for the summertime. Wow, I'm going to miss it so much. I'm going to miss nighttime where you can just sit outside and enjoy the cool breeze while the mosquitoes bite the hell out of your skin. I'm just going to miss those damn caterpillars on my tree and the hell out of my leaves. Then autumn, and then fall, and then winter. God, I'm gonna miss summer. I'm not gonna give you a talk through, but I will tell you I already done my eyebrows and scoped them out. I'm just gonna try to allow the brands and what I am using to pop up somewhere on the screen. Before we get started, to all you watchers out there, and I know you do watch because I check my analytics. Yeah. Stop watching and be a part of the family. I mean, there's nothing wrong with you hitting that subscribe button. It's free, totally. Boop. Boop. Just that simple. NYX did come out with some nail polish and lipsticks. The shade in this is called Fire and Sendai. Yeah. The nail shade is called Dance in Daytona. Let's just try to incorporate those products inside of this video. I'm going to play my music because it get a little boring when you're not talking, you know. But yeah, just enjoy the video and make sure you comment down below and give me that big thumbs up if you do like. If anything you want to see differently or anything you want me to incorporate in another video, just let me know and I'll make sure it happens. So let me shut my mouth and let's dig on in, shall we?
devil.
So now this is the final look, guys. I appreciate you watching. Thank you for all your support. And y'all, I know this was like a major long video, but this is everything that I do every day. Big ups to NYX. I do want to say that I did get this lip nail duo, and this is what I use, guys. I mean, that was just like the pun today. I'm going to go get this nail fixed again, and I'm going to put this nail polish back on, and this is the lip that I use. NYX is just a great brand that I do love using, besides Maybelline, ELF, CoverGirl, and I know another drugstore brand that is really stepping up their game, which is L'Oreal. Thank you guys for your brand new shades that you're coming out with in the beauty industry. Girl, you know, you kind of like did a twist and fall, but yeah, why not? But guys, I really enjoyed filming this. If you guys would like to see a lot more of these somewhat get readies without the talking, or you want to see me doing the talking, I put my bangles on, you know, just let me know. Comment down below. Let me know how you feel about this look. If you guys want to see more of these copper, shimmery, fall, festive, summery looks, just let me know. And I'll make sure I put everything down below of what I used. And like I said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share if you want. I mean, you know, hey, that'll work for me. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.